In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Galaxy Earbuds to iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Galaxy Earbuds are fully compatible with any generation of iPads. You will be establishing this connection over Bluetooth, and you don't need any sort of adapter or any sort of application. You can connect them directly to the iPad and they will work flawlessly. All of the audio that is output on the iPad will go over to the Galaxy Earbuds. So like I said, this will be done over Bluetooth. So head over to the settings on your iPad, find the Bluetooth category, and inside of Bluetooth, double check to see if it is enabled. With Bluetooth enabled, now all that you have to do is 1. Open the lid on your Galaxy Earbuds, and this should usually send them automatically into pairing mode, which makes them appear under the list of available devices, so you just choose them from the list. If they don't appear here, then you will have to press a specific button to enable pairing mode. So on this example here, on the Galaxy Buds Pro 3, you have to press this button that is underneath the case. With the earbuds inside of the case, when you press this button, pairing mode will be enabled, and then the same thing will happen. They will appear under the list of other available devices, and you just choose them here. Immediately upon selecting them, they will remain connected until they run out of battery, and every single future time that you power them on, they should automatically pair themselves to the iPad. Like I said before, there's no secret to this. Even though it is designed by Samsung, it still works flawlessly with Apple products, including an iPad or an iPhone, a PC, laptop, whatever device you have. As long as that specific device has Bluetooth capabilities, they are enabled, and you set them into pairing mode, you will be good to go. If this does not work, first, ensure that they have sufficient battery. If needed, charge them by plugging the case to a USB power outlet and letting them sit inside until they are sufficiently charged. And try restarting the iPad or the iPhone. It should be as simple as setting them into pairing mode until they appear under the list of available devices. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Galaxy Earbuds to iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.